People, this is Silk Rocks. And right now, me have a hot song for the world here who are one. You have some set of people that talk about who Masicka have one flow. Masicka show them a vibes in the song and say, yo, bro, God, I can't me your talk charge. You know, see man lyrical, bro. Eh? Hold on to the dog job. Them song and I show them say, yo, bro, God, and I one flow me have, bro. So you see the one here? The one your name like Cabra. You see me, I said the goat. I want goat in a dance hall. So people, please to subscribe, like and share. And I mean, yeah man. Hey, if me I go say yo Masicka have one chance, me know him not fail. You see me, I say, yeah. But right now another song I feel like him have one chance. Let's go. So the flow, jug lad, all different type of song. See the song there, what the grandpa look for. Piney.
It's one side genocide.
You don't know feel, bro.
Hey mommy, them call me the goat. Real killer, but put tree in a chow. Man of the yard, I'm in a sleep in a couch. We run it down, what I'm speaking about. Hey mommy, them call me the goat. Hey mommy, we put the car in a spout. Bad bitch, all guns all bound. She want it enough. Oh, you're eating with the same flow. But from me, you're ballin', wicked with the can bro. Pitching with the blicking, no lipping, not a festia. Look, wonder what them sipping, them chicken will make the key a blow. Bad on every stage show, girl from everywhere, bro. Fuck vanity, you're dead, fit on she chain door. Head will bust no aim low, and let it bust no play door. Crock will set him up and wet him up all rain no. But them put in your grains, so insane, bro. Me be sitting on your ears, how much your brain blow. Pussy them in nine place, nobody knows safe. Shoot my gun in her face, bro. Hey mommy, them call me the goat.
Bro, they call it doggy goat, bro. How much you give dog right now, bro? God, the man not have no same flow charge. You 10 out of 10.
Real killer, I put tree in a chow. Man of the yard, I'm in a sleep in a couch. We run it down, what I'm speaking about. Hey mommy, them call me the goat. Hey mommy, we put the car in a spout. Bad bitch, all guns all bound. She want it. No more no bad like sicker. You want die liquor. The friend of my boss at the ganja chicken. Gonna live from every man, I finger and down with you. Anywhere you get it from, man, target. So me empty the clip and not one now miss you. Smarty got miss you, cause why you not listen? Start, them up, show them boss, the man, class, the from me, not the class. Some man go my issue. Walk you with the pan out and road boy run like tea. Them know.
Bro, me can't show you see your Masicka now miss for real, bro, God. I wanna load the dog and give you, you know. Yo, I wanna load and I get in, bro. One side.
Long and I sitting. Them pussy at least at the boom in the street. Hey mommy, them call me the goat. Real killer, I put tree in a chow. Man of the yard, I'm in a sleep in a couch. We run it down, what I'm speaking about. Hey mommy, them call me the goat. Hey mommy, we put the car in a spout. Bad bitch, all guns all bound. She want it in her mouth. Girl, I wait and I'm ready. Yeah, fuck up her face, the pan belly. Yeah, bust up her kills, I can baby. Boss. Puff up the grapes, it done merry. Brown and pretty like Daddy Ali Berry. Should be top under your chin, a shot a running on your jelly, yeah. Well, I wait and I'm ready, yeah. Fuck up her face, the pan belly.
Yo, the song is tough like stone. You see all who I talk about the dog have one flow, bro. You need to take back that the chat there. You see me I say, it dog song tough, bro, God. I be a lyrics a fling, bro. The woman look sexy. Everybody just a vibe reading tough lyrics them are. Yo, it dog flow different charge, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so people like and share and subscribe. This is Silk Rocks. I'm out.